Hi guys, welcome and join us for a day out to the British Truck Racing Final at Brands Hatch on the 5th November. This was my son's birthday present. They also had pickup trucks and minis, and there was also a light up truck parade, drifting cars and the most amazing fireworks, so please stay tuned for that. I won't do a lot of voiceover, as this is a video mainly for my son to have all the clips we took, but here we are waiting for the shuttle bus, and there is Ryan.
What is that?
He was watching the first race because we didn't quite make it there for that one. And then here we are. Sorry. Here we are. The Brands Hatch. We're so excited. Yay! Yay! We're very excited. We've never been to Brands Hatch before. We got in, there were lots of trucks lined up that would be in the parade truck parade later. Stores selling models and clothing and you name it, they had all sorts. So I'm just going to pull Potter and just take videos as we walk.
Yeah, I think we go down and just not leave here, keep going down.
Keep going down.
You're underneath the track technically, to the bit.
Okay, you're allowed down there then?
I believe
That'd be
so.
cool. So we are currently walking through the pit lane underneath Brands Hatch and it feels really naughty and ridiculous. We're sneaking in. Aren't we, Ryan? Ninjas. These were the minis racing. We kind of walked the horse and stopped in a bit to watch where we shouldn't have, but we did keep shuffling along. So I've got some amazing photographs from this area. And we both took one photographs. We're literally in the middle of the track. It is so fucking cool. Spin out up there. Right, love this day. Definitely make that next year. This was truck racing. We were heading back because after this would be truck racing, which is, you know, why we were there. Although this was amazing. All of it was enjoyable, to be honest. They're literally right above our heads. This is going to be so weird. Racetrack. What the hell? There's a view from our seats on the grandstand. We'll be waiting for the truck race to begin. It will cut between phone and camera footage. There are the trucks.
Fighting away with Michael Oliver and David Jenkins. It's going to be Bradley Smith has got his nose ahead when they head through paddock your left for the first time. Jenkins's a little bit wide, loses momentum. They've already got Ryan Smith to pick a place up from him, but it's Bradley Smith that leads the pack through. Wins for the first time. Craig Reed is there in second place. He's going to come out in third. It's Simon Reed in third place. He just gets his nose ahead of Stephen Powell.
I should have reversed to the racing because I'm going to be possible later. It's mostly racing and fireworks and the truck parade, so I shall leave the rest of it. Enjoy the clips. And yeah, 10 out of 10, fantastic day out. Me who knows nothing about trucks enjoyed it a lot. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
He is dead last, but for the rest of the field, it's been a good start indeed. The race leader, the number 46 of Bradley Smith, comes across the line with not the biggest margin at all over Craig Reed. They're in second place, separated by less than half a second, as Ryan Smith looks like he has made progress. Yes, he is up into sixth place there in that neon green and blue machine. Staring down the back now on the number 12, Michael Oliver as well. And he'll be looking to get himself onto that podium position sooner rather than later, but for the lead of the race, Reed is very close indeed.
He is very close indeed. As they come down in towards Graham Hill Bend, he is looking to try and see if he can
next up, but the leading three come onto the Brabham Straight. Again, Bradley Smith is under attack for the lead of the race, but this time it looks as though it is going to be Ryan Smith who's drawn himself alongside Simon Reed, and the Bonneted Daimler has the inside line. Can the Volvo, can the Iveco hang it around the outside? Not quite. So Ryan Smith is through and up into second place, and Simon Reed for the moment is happy to contend with third. So now Ryan Smith is going to set his sights on Brandon Smith in the lead of the race. Ryan Smith was wasting no time at all in this morning's race, and he's taking a similar mentality in this one as well, dispatching of Simon Reed for second place, with Reed still holding on to the podium. Fastest lap of the race last time round was set by John Foley, in at 6th. It's that top three we were familiar with for the red. In the back wheel, so that was good. I drove a really clean race, and I'm really pleased with the result. Yeah, we think you have secured second in the championship now, so vice champion in 2023. My last question to you is, have you looked at the front of the truck yet? No, I think we'll get out and have a walk around. It's all looking fairly second and Disney, but I've got a decent team of blokes. Alright, awesome. Just congratulations on a great race, and we look forward to seeing you out in the last one. Right, I'm just going to get out of here because the marshals are going to tell me off in a minute, but holding these guys up. So we've got the lunch break coming up next, but after another hour we'll have more racing action on the circuit. Yep, thank you very much, Chris. So the lunch break is upon us. So remember, we've got the Kentagon Spa and restaurant is open. Remember, there's a change of menu in there. So if you fancy having some Sunday lunch, roast beef, Yorkshire pudding, roast potatoes, etc., head up there. We've also got a lovely change menu because it's fireworks weekend. So firecrackers, chicken curry, you can have roast pork back from there as well. So those as well to the bottom of Paddock Hill Bend. But remember, we've also got all that on-track activity going on, the train village, the individual merchandising stands, and hot fast food outlets as well. The fairground is open. We've also got the entertainment tent open as well, skills, face painting, and everything else in there. And of course, we've got our fantastic show trucks that are all there as well. So from Chris Stevens, myself, Werrell, enjoy your lunch break, and remember, if you want to chat to the truck drivers, their autograph session is at 13:45. It's 13:40, and it's not in the assembly area, it's the scrutineering bay, which is on the outside of the circuit. So you need to be in the outer paddock, where the big building is, just as you enter it on the left-hand side. That's the scrutineering bay. That's where the truck drivers will be for their autograph session at 13:40. So we'll be back with you when racing gets back underway this afternoon, and that is scheduled to be around about half an hour's time. We'll be back with you 13:45 for the Legends. Let's have it.
The goods have been secured. Bought Ryan a hoodie and some t-shirts, and here's part of the trucks and shops they have going. There's the amount of people. It's very busy but amazing. Going back to our seat.
Max Hall looking to make a move into fourth place on Tom Ovenden as well. I think we'll be careful and like 3 as well, looking to try and capitalise on that into Druids, and all of them taking a very defensive line into Druids, and going right around the outside is Max Hall, actually no, sorry, not Max Hall, it's Jack Byrne, who was trying to get around the outside. He's made up the place actually, and contact down at Graham Hill Bend. 2 cars have flown off into the grass, just nudging the tyre barriers, but we've got 2 cars off of Graham Hill Bend towards Paddock Hill Bend, but it is going to be Tom Oliver that leads the way from Nicky Taylor in second position, who's going to be out in third at the moment. It looks as though it is Jack Byrne that's there in third place, only just though with his nose ahead of Sam Gornall and Max Hall, as they all head onto the brakes up towards Druids for the first time. They've all been fairly sensible through the first couple of corners, but it is going to be the newly crowned champion Tom Oliver that leads the charge for the first time as they head in towards Graham Hill Bend. Yeah, nice start by Ovenden. Nicky Taylor didn't really get off the line all that well, but managed to hold on to second place. Jack Byrne was the big move. Not who's got their nose ahead is just Nathan Edwards that claims the win from Max Hall in second place, and Sam Gordell there in third place. Nicky Taylor finishes in fourth place, and Jack Bird in fifth. The champion for this year, Tom Otterden, who was there in sixth position. But what an end to the 2023 championship season for the Virtue Motors. Like to go out, and they charge their way up towards Paddock Hill Bend for the first time. Alan Cooper has the inside line, and he hang on to it, or if Reece Jones can break down around the outside. No, he tucks himself in behind, so Alan Cooper rather, leads the way from Reece Jones in second place, but Reece sneaks up the inside as they're heading towards Druids for the first time, and Alan Cooper runs out wide, and that is going to drop him down into second position. So it's Reece Jones from Alan Cooper, then it is going to be Matt Simpson, who carves his way right up the inside of Alan Cooper, so late on the brakes, with almost contact between the pair of them, a little bit of a rough as they came off the corner, and Cooper still trying to fend away Matt Simpson, but Simpson has the inside line, sneaks his way through up into second place, Alan Cooper down into third, and that means that Reece Jones has a 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 pickup truck length gap between himself and Matt Simpson. But Matt Simpson almost made 3 places in one corner there. He did manage to snatch 2 of them, and then found himself up in second place ahead of Dale Jens, but I'm sure Jens is not going to take that one lying down. Alan Cooper take that line down as he looks to try and get back through as they run back down to the bottom of the hill towards Druids, and they've also got the Lightning McQueen in second place. Number 30 truck of erstwhile race leader Matt Simpson running to the top 3. Alan Jones is there in fourth. He's trying to close in on those ahead of him. The best of the fights I would say at the moment is Paul Tompkins, followed by Mark Willis, then it's Jamie Lintrop ahead of Ryan Hadfield, and then Paul, and then Dean Tompkins, and that is going to be 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, the 10th places all together at Druids. And Matt Simpson not finished in that pursuit of second place. He's hounding the back of Reece Jones there, and indeed it does. And we go racing in the British Truck Racing Championship for the final time this year. It looks as though it is going to be father ahead of son, is it? It's Stuart Oliver and Michael Oliver, but John Baldwin trying to brave it out around the outside of the wheel of the dark blue DAF with its red bumpers and side skirts, but it's over the door, it's contact further back. Stephen Powell gets turned around and a huge crash by the look of things. That was a big incident there for, I think that might have been Simon Reed possibly, that got tangled up. It was one of the Ivecos that got tangled up. And many people hanging around until the very end of the day. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, once we've got the fireworks done and dusted, there's no need for you all to try and display along Colin Chapman Way all weekend long. More than 100 Colin Chapman Way, if I possibly not Colin Chapman. I can't see anything. It's pitch black outside. Okay, so and it's not just heavy commercials, we've got light commercial vehicles as well.
We'll try and finish our little video here. Here's me and me. Here's Ryan.